Hi, this is Umar from Areterix Technologies, and in this video I'm going to show you the project manufacturing part as to how we have done some customizations to make the manufacturing process tracked with the project. So here this is my dashboard, the project dashboard, and I'll create a new project for which I have done some customizations. So let's start by creating a new project. So I have a new project called Flight Black Box Manufacturing. Let's say I have a customer, so I have added some custom values like pin number, that is a project initiation number, and let's say the PO value is, and I have a BD, and let's say the PO date is 14th, and I have a project manager, and I have the project maybe will start from 20th, or let's say 21st, and it will end on 31st. So automatically from the plan date it will calculate the project lead time days, and I have a nature of project, let's say it is a manufacturing quantity. I have to manufacture 20 units. Save this. So now once I've saved this project, automatically a create BOM button will come here, so I will be able to create a BOM for this project directly from here, and I have an option to tentatively identify a project costing. So let's say I might have to create maybe an e-BOM in-house which might cost around 5L, and I might have an mechanical BOM, and I might have some labor cost. Okay, so this is a tentative project costing that I have calculated, which my team would calculate, and a total project cost and tentative cost of the project will be calculated here. Now what I want you to do is send this BOM to my send a notification to my design engineer to create the BOM for this. So let me just please design this project, and I might send this to engineer. I'll schedule this. Alright, so now what I'll do is I'll log in. So I'll log in with this design engineer, and so the design engineer would usually, okay, the design engineer will have all his project notifications. He will get it in the activity section, so whatever project he has to design, he will get a notification here. Okay, so now it is here, so it is not a due date today, so that's why it's I just removed the filter and it showed here. So I have a flight box manufacturing to be done, so my design engineer will now create a BOM, and the BOM will have a level of approval, so it will require some approvers. So I have an option, let's say the approval responsible person is an approver 2 and this is an approver 1. I will have to design some products, so let's say flight black box. I'll just create a product, save this, and I have an option to upload the BOM. So now if I have, let's say, 100 items in my Excel file, suppose I have prepared an Excel file for this flight bag box in a BOM format, and I have 100 items, I can directly upload my Excel file, so it will match with the part numbers. Otherwise I can just manually for now create some parts, add some parts here. So let's say I need require 10 units of this. You can select some OEMs. I've got some other parts. Let's say I just need 1 unit and maybe Siemens. And I've got some additional custom columns here, so if I require some additional fields, I can have these additional fields and maybe add it as per the requirement. I can just save this BOM. Okay, so once I save this, my BOM is recorded here. So now with this project, you see this is a project and my BOM is mapped with this project, and once I create an MO, it will also be mapped here. So I'll just go to the BOM and review the BOM. I can create multiple BOMs. Okay, once I have added all my product parts here, okay, all the reference fields, suppose if I require something, if I added it, right, I can send this for the approval. So once I send this for the approval, these are the approvers who will get the notification. The first notification will be received by approved by, and the second will be responsible person. So this is a dynamic approval process. So whoever you select, he will get the approval process and he would be able to approve. So I'll just send for the first level approval. So right now you see this designer doesn't have an approve option, that he will not be able to approve. Only the approver 1 will be able to approve this one. So I'll log in as an approver. I'll just log out and I'll approver1.com. So the approver 1, so as soon as I clicked the website for approval, a notification is created for the approver 1. So approver 1 will get a notification here that there is a bill of material pending that he needs to approve. So he will just go here, review the bill of material, and if everything is fine, he'll just do approve. Once approved, the BOM will go to the second level approval. So this person, the approver 2, will get the notification for the BOM. Let us log in with the approver 2 and approve the second level BOM. So MO will be created only when both the levels are approved for the BOM. Before that, MO will not be created for this BOM. So a notification is here again to the approver 2 that you need to approve the BOM. So yeah, it's waiting for second level approval. I just need to do the approve final. Once the approval is done, MO, create MO button is here. So from here we would be able to create an MO. So I click on create MO, and depending upon how many quantity I need to produce, I can select here. So if I need to produce 5 units, I can just enter 5 and save. So a BOM for the 5 units is created. I'll go back to the project with the admin. Alright, so we are back with the project here. I have all my projects listed here. So this is the project. I'll go in the project view. So here now I have BOM and I have an MO. Once I go inside an MO, so here I have 5 units to be manufactured. Here it will show me what products I have, how much in quantity. So here it says I have got 1950, I have minus 20, and how many quantity I need to consume. Alright, so now as I don't have this units, I'll do the replenishment. So how much I need 5 units to proceed with the replenishment. 25, I need total 25 units. Okay, confirm. So once I do the replenishment from here, a PO is created. I just need to go and confirm the PO to receive the quantity, right? So I'll just go to the PO. Yeah, so there is an old PO, so it has amended the quantity into the older PO. So I'll just confirm this for now and receive products, validate the quantity. Alright, so now once the quantity are validated, I'll just refresh this form. So you see now I have quantity on hand available and 25 units are reserved for this. Okay, so now I just need to do produce here. So once I click on produce, the quantity will be produced. Yeah. So now we have consumed all the quantity whatever required and the quantity on updated. So the flight black box has now 5 units manufactured. So this is how the project manufacturing we would be able to track our projects, our bill of materials, our manufacturing orders, and also our RFQs here. So I'll also show you we have an option RFQs and POs. So whatever RFQs and POs that are generated from within this BOM, within this project via BOM or MO, we would be able to see those also. So you see the 80 unit RFQ that we confirmed, it is now visible in this BOM, in this project. Thank you.